Hello everybody, and today I'll be unboxing the Battle Styles Sword and Shield Elite Trainer box. Now, as you know, I already did the Pokemon Celebrations box, but now we're hitting another video with another box. Let's right to it. I already opened the packaging so that there's no struggle, but let's just see. So there is the casing. Oops. There goes the manual. It's the manual, all blue and Urshifu, with Urshifu on top. Put that to the side, and let's open the box. Oh, look at this. There's a lot of stuff here. There's a divider. That over to the side. And hold on, I should actually get every stuff first before I get. So here's the card game rules right there. The dice and the poison and fire burn. I don't really play TCG, I just want to collect the cards, honestly. I can went into this because it's not really a mess. Put that to the side. I don't know what these are, but I'll probably research it online because I don't really play TCG because I only wanted to collect the cards. Here's the energies. I'm not gonna open them because there's a lot and I don't want them to scatter everywhere and make a whole mess. Here's the code card. Set it down over there. Here are the sleeves. Beautiful sleeves. Now here's the cards now. There's 8 Battle Style cards. Sorry for that noise, but I'll probably cut that from the video. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 as the packaging said. I keep forgetting the camera's down here. Sorry, I keep putting it at the top. Now, which one should I open first? I'll go with Urshifu, the blue one to Rig's house. Because he was on the box. Okay. Let's see. Sorry for the dog. There you go. Open pack number 1. Okay. Now this time I can actually see the camera, so I can see I can see what you're seeing and not look at the cards. Full card. 1, 2, 3, 4. There's energy. Hero. Big. Scroll of Scorn. Focus here. Bronzor. Cacnea. This Point. Roly-Poly. Frillish. Again guys, I'm sorry for the noise. The dog keeps barking. And kind of waves. Haven't seen this one. And a Bouillon. Nothing good there yet, but let's see. I'll get a good one. And apology guys for the dog. I'm recording this at night. I'm not in the focus setup. There's the code card. I'll probably edit the sound out. Okay, hold on. 1, 2, 3, 4. There's the energy. You have Bouffant, Crawdont, Grumpig, Scatterbug, Honedge, Gligar, Electabuzz, Bellsprout, Phalanx, and Tapu Koko VMAX. Okay. Oh my god, guys, this is a card I've never pulled before because I've never gotten the Battle Styles. Okay, let me sleeve it up with the sleeves that we got from the pack in the box. Thank you, guys. One of the sleeves, and sleeve this guy up. There's Tapu Koko sleeved up. See him, guys. Beautiful card. The VMAX. Put them aside where with the other cards so that it's separate. Okay, we got one VMAX one. Hopefully we can get another one. Okay. for now, let's just see what we got. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so we got Steel Energy, in Spupa, Ice Score. Funny how we got Gligar in the other pack because it evolved. Fruto, Horsey, Mankey, Immawile, Formantis, Remoraid, Mienfoo, and we have a Claydol. Okay, nothing like the other pack, but it's still okay. We still have some other packs to open up. Okay, I didn't cut it. Okay. Here we go. Code card. And 1, 2, 3, 4. Put that in the front. There's the Energy, Roxish, Goofalont, Urn of Vitality. Vitality? Oh, it's Vitality. Yes, it's Vitality. Sorry.
Hi.
And here's my sister joining in. And other one as well.
You're just
Esper.
gonna see.
Yeah, you're just gonna see the cards.
Careful,
Flipbug, Silcobra,
Oh.
Pandar. Careful with the cards.
Just put them there.
Houndour, Lickitung, not Licky.
Mr.
Mr. Mime, no, Mr. Rhyme, and Sharon. Okay, nothing good yet. So you still have 4 packs. Okay, yeah, they saw Esper. You can go down now.
Ooh, sis, give me that one.
Here's the code card.
Give me that.
2, 3, 4.
Anything.
Water Energy,
What's
Energy Recycler. Read it if you want. A Girder, Cacturn, Bronzor, Murkrow, Percy, Cherubi, Lickitung, and Murkrow and Bolton. Okay. So far we only have Taco Coco as
Pause it first.
Can I have one pack?
Hold on. How do you pause it? Okay, so let's move on to the next pack with the Ponyon on it. Code card. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. Stop. Whoa. Careful. We got the Psychic Energy, a Repeat Ball, sorry. Level Ball, sorry. And a Single Strike Energy, the Luxio, Electabuzz, Esper, Timber, Galarian Slowpoke, Corphish, Hitmore, and Bronzong. Ooh, this would be kinda nice. We got 2 more packs, guys. Yeah, you said hello enough.
Don't cut the card.
I won't cut the cards.
Hey.
Here is the code card. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Can I open one pack?
Yeah, sure. Here's the last pack for you.
I want.
Oh, hold on. You two open at the same time.
Right there.
Right there.
When Chris done with that one.
Here is an Fire Energy. Ooh, Rapid Strike
Mustard.
Style Mustard. Yes, that is the name of the character. And
Weird.
Angry Murpeko. Doublade.
We'll open it
Or
later.
Doublade. Spearow. Pachirisu. Cherubi. Mienfoo. Silicobra. Ultra Variety? Yeah, it's the Urn of Variety again. And Stonejourner. Okay. Now they'll be opening the last pack. Give me. Hand it to Kuya. Kuya will open it for you.
Oh no, be
Careful
careful
with the
be careful.
scissors. Don't cut it.
Don't put the.
No, it's fine. Get it. Give me. I'll just I'll just pause. Hold on, guys. Okay, we are back, and here's Mikey opening the last pack of cards. Energy.
Show them.
What did you get? Show them the fans. No, okay. Energy.
Here, go on Kuya Slap. There.
Let's see what you get.
Okay.
Is that a Durant? You got a Durant.
Durant. What's that one?
And oh, you got 2 cards.
Oh, what is that?
Show them the other one. What other 2 cards did you get? Got a Cacturn. Okay. Next one.
Next.
One by one.
One by one. That's 2.
Oh, that's 2.
Get one now.
One now.
That is, what is that?
That is the Quissy.
What is that?
She got a Tool Jammer.
Ooh, Jammer.
Next one, she got a Salandit,
Salandit.
Roly-Poly, another Esper.
Esper. Oh, no.
Easy.
What's that?
You got a Scorch. Don't have that card yet.
Scorch.
Okay, a Shinx,
Shinx.
a Blipbug,
Bug.
and a Experience Share.
Experience.
Now, say goodbye.
Bye.
I'll review now. You two go now.
Okay.
I'll join you later when you're reviewing.
Okay.
Because we'll have another video up at the same time.
Okay, leave that there.
Leave those cards.
That's not cards, isn't it?
Okay, yeah. You can go now.
Oh.
See you later. Say bye-bye.
Bye.
I'll go now.
Oh no.
I'll join you later in the review. I'll just finish the review off. No, don't end. Don't end. Mikey, no. Okay, sige. Okay, bye. Okay.
Bye.
Sorry, I did that probably. Oh, she tracked the cards. Okay. In summary, we only got Tapu Koko for the VMAX. That's okay though. Definitely a beautiful card that I don't have yet. Clean up the mess. Now guys, honestly, the review of these boxes, like all the celebrations and other boxes, I think you should get them. If you want if you want cards to open and the TCG manual and some other things like some energy cards, I would recommend buying this. It may be a lot, but it's really fun to open and box them and see what you got. Now, here's the player's guide. I won't be too leaning on it. I'll cover that in another video. Okay, I'll fix the cards. Now, see you later guys, and hopefully I can get another box to review. Or you should tell me down in the comments what I should review next. See you later guys.